So the vision of Grantley Hall is to create something on an international stage that is a large boutique hotel, effectively. The DNA of a country house hotel, but with a touch of city centre. So the backbone of the project is about well-being of individual customers, not the volume. So the diversity of the food offerings and the settings are all enhanced by controlling that environment. So you're not just coming here for one night's dinner, bed and breakfast, you're actually coming for an experience, and you can't deliver that experience without the flexibility of changing every single aspect to that.
At the outset, we looked at a huge number of different systems that would deliver us that spectacular service level.
Also the longevity of the products that we're using, so you're not just getting something that may be good today and break tomorrow, or the supplier's not there in 2 years' time. And it's also not being too technical. We didn't want the customer to be overphased by tech.
We started on that process probably 2.5 to 3 years before we opened, and we found that Lutron had a better market presence, really.
And Lutron as a whole, as a product across the site, has been a valuable tool to us. It's allowed us to have a discrete control of areas that potentially we would never had before. And I think operating in a 5-star hotel, we need to be as discreet as possible. So it allows, especially the facilities department, to have an overview and control over areas without interfering in a guest's journey too much.
One important thing at Grantley for the customer's experience point of view is to create a magical lighting mood set all day, not just at night, but every time of day.
We wanted blind control, we wanted lights, we wanted the HVAC control, occupancy sensors, underfloor heating, the whole works.
So maximum flexibility for every single light fitting and every single mood setting throughout the day was key.
And Lutron My Room was the package that ticked all those boxes and brought everything together into a very, very simple plate that everybody could use.
And we felt that, certainly advised by Clever Associates, that we could deliver that and control everything that we wanted on one platform.
So the great thing about the system from the start to the end is that it integrates with Opera and with Salto through into the guest's room, where it talks to everything within the room, all the mechanical and electrical equipment, which in turn, when the guest presence detection detects that the guest isn't in the room, instantly it starts saving us energy, which in turn saves us money.
I need to look at the controlling the costs and the cost basis, making sure that we have control over the bedroom, so that those costs are controlled, that they don't run away. And Lutron My Room gives me that control down to the individual unit, which from my point of view is essential.
So the flexibility of all that, together with the overall quality of the package, was something that Lutron and My Room did extremely well. We even then looked from a long-term point of view at upgrading. We upgraded that package to give us more flexibility, more control.
The My Room View offers the facilities department, at a glance, have an overview of a guest experience from check-in to check-out. I can quickly go onto the system, look at the floor plans, get straight to the bedroom, so it's very efficient. And I can then look at the status of the room, whether or not the lighting's on, the heating's on, and whether or not they're actually in the room through the guest presence detection.
So the flexibility with the Lutron system gives maximum flexibility for our customers. So when they go into a room, it's perfectly set like we want it set, but when they come out of the room and the staff then go in for turn down service, it again resets it to perfect levels on every single setting. So there's no human error. So all these controls have marginal gains across the whole project over a long period of time. There's significant savings, not just to us, but from an eco point of view, that's the future, that's what everybody wants. We invested in capital at this end so that over a number of years we see the benefit of that coming back.
The system works for us because it's like another member of the team. So it's saving man hours, it's increasing efficiency, and it's saving money on energy consumption.
From an eco point of view, this is a carbon zero hotel. You know, the whole project, staggeringly for a grade 2-star listed building, is carbon zero. And all the controls to all heat saving, electric saving, is all part of that journey.
The main thing I like about having the Lutron system site-wide at Grantley Hall is almost the fact that we forget it's there. It sits quietly in the background doing its job, saving us money, saving us time, and saving us energy.
it works. It is one of those systems that, from a guest point of view, is easy to use. From a staff point of view, it's easy to use. It's bulletproof, and everybody recognises it when they go into the bedrooms.
So the decision at Grantley to go down the Lutron route was not a difficult one. We believe that they've delivered more than what we originally expected. We've got everything that we want. We've got the controls, we've got the longevity of future-proofing the project.
It's the bee's knees.